Welcome, today in front of me Realme GT Neo 3, and I'll show you all the box accessories what watch our device comes. So let's just first open the box here, and we can see here the protective silicone case. The next accessorized, this is the USB cable, the Type-C. Also we have here the original charger brick. And inside of this paper box we have the SIM eject tool, quick start guide, the safety guide, and the warranty card. So that's it. There are all of the box accessories with which our device comes. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.